You've gone through and answered your questions. Congratulations, you now have superpowers and you know what they are. Now we need to look at how you use them and how to apply them as you move forward. So I'm going to ask you 3 questions, and there is actually a worksheet in the workbook that covers this. So let's look at how you use your superpowers for getting responsibilities and deliverables completed, how you use them for helping your team or a team member, and how you use them to better your company or organization's mission. Now, when you're looking for a job, you would say what your value added would be, and that's exactly what these are. Your superpowers are what makes you great and why you're an amazing person to have around and for getting things done. So think about your superpowers, take the time, hit pause, and answer those questions.